Thank you for your interest in the Bergen County Academies. We're here to tell you a little bit more about our amazing school.
We offer 7 unique academies on one campus: Science and Technology, Business and Finance, Computer Science, Engineering and Design, Medical Science Technology, Culinary Arts and Hospitality Administration, and Visual and Performing Arts.
We follow a college model, so no matter which academy you are in, you'll take academic classes with students in all academies and have access to incredible opportunities. Over the years, we have formed partnerships with organizations, universities, and corporations that share in our vision of preparing students to live, work, and lead in a global community.
BCA students have participated in global studies programs with England, South Korea, Greece, Japan, and Denmark. Our students often describe these experiences as life-changing experiences.
Our school's philosophy is learning by doing. So in addition to challenging academic classes, we believe it is our world-class labs and unique campus environment that truly set us apart.
Our on-campus research program enables students to publish articles in scientific journals, present at professional conferences, and compete at the state, national, and international level.
At BCA, students and teachers work collaboratively on high-level research projects in our state-of-the-art labs in fields like agri-science, biotechnology, nanotechnology, stem cells, and even coral reef research, where students work to replenish our planet's dying coral reefs.
We offer 16 sports on the freshman, JV, and varsity level, and we're proud that some of our top athletes have gone on to success at the college level.
We have a wide variety of musical opportunities like jazz band, concert band, and orchestra. We also have concert choir and chamber choir, as well as a fall play and spring musical.
BCA is an incredibly supportive community where students can come to make lifelong friendships. We also have some amazing teachers, many of whom hold masters and PhDs in their respective fields, but we believe it's their dedication to their students that make them so special.
We believe that one of our keys to success is the support we receive from a parent partnership organization. Each year, families gather at the PPO's International Tasting Event to celebrate our diverse community and cultures.
Hear what some top educators had to say after visiting BCA. David Levin of the KIPP Foundation said, "Wow, we've been inspired beyond belief and challenged to raise the bar." Michael Mann of Uncommon Schools said to his colleagues, "I think I just saw the best school in the world." We hope you feel the same way.
We hope to see you here at BCA.